Good morning students. Welcome to grade 10 mathematics class. The same chapter algebra. Let's see the continuation of square root. Have you all got the homework problem answer? Okay, let's listen. Let's move to the exercise problem. Okay, listen. Exercise 3.7. Find the square root of the following. First question, 4x square plus 20x plus 25. How can we do this? Okay, let's listen. Solution. See the question. Find the square root of. So, the given question we can rewrite as square root of 4x square plus 20x plus 25, which is equal to square root of. See, here first term is a square number. How can we write this? 2x the whole square plus 20x plus 25. How can we write? 5 square, which is equal to square root of. Here first term and last term is a square number and only 3 terms are there. Which formula we can use? Shall we check whether it is apt for a plus b the whole square formula? We can check now. So 2x the whole square plus, instead of here see, in the place of a, here 2x. In the place of b, 5 is present. So we can rewrite according to the formula. So a square plus 2, what is a here? 2x, what is b? 5 plus b square. Now check it. A square, correct only. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20x. Okay, the arrangement is correct, which is equal to, this is the expansion of a square plus 2ab plus b square is the expansion of a plus b the whole square. So, a plus b the whole square. Now, the square root and square gets cancelled. So, what is the final answer? Modulus of 2x plus 5. That's all. Very easy, no? Okay, let's move to the second question. Second subdivision. Square root of 9x square minus 24xy plus 30xz minus 40yz plus 25z square plus 16y square. This is the very long expression, no? Which formula is suitable for this? Already we solved one problem like this in example. Have you remember that? Okay. Okay, let's listen one more time. I can solve this so you will get better idea. So, square root of, first select the square numbers. Here 9x square plus, what are the square number? There 25z square plus then 16y square. After that minus 24xy plus 30xz minus 40yz, which is equal to, now arranging. Shall we arrange this now? So, x term first, then y term, then z term, then xy, then yz, then zx. Okay. So, 9x square plus 16y square plus 25z square plus x term, y term, z term over, then xy term minus 24xy, xy, then yz plus minus 40yz, then at last 30xz, which is equal to square root of, we should check for the sign. First we need to go for the sign, x sign, y sign and z sign. Listen here, x and y here containing minus. So, one term should be plus and the another term should be minus. Here also y, z, any one term should be minus. Here x and z both are plus. There are two possibilities. Sometimes plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus also plus. We should go for any one option. So, plus option is better. So, x and z both are plus means we will get plus. Another choice also you will take. Minus and minus equal to plus, no? That choice also you can take. So here x and z both are plus. I am taking that sign. This problem you will get two answers. Both answers are correct only. At last I will write that this or that answer it may come. Okay, listen. So x and z here both are plus and I am taking that option. So here plus and remaining one minus. Okay. Now according to the sign I am going to write for x sign I will take positive. So 9x I will write it as 3x the whole square plus y term I should write in minus. So 16y square I need to write it as minus 4y the whole square plus z I am taking as positive. So 25z square, that means 5z the whole square plus now a square plus b square plus c square over. Then what is the formula? We are arranging for which formula? A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. According to this formula we are going to write. Okay. First three terms we got. See, a square plus b square plus c square over. Then plus 2ab, 2bc, 2ca terms we need to get. Okay. Continuing that. 2 into ab. What is that? This one a, this one b. So 3x into minus 4y plus remaining terms I will write here 2bc, that means b into c, minus 4y into 5z plus 2 into ca. So 5z into a, 3x. Now check for this. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24xy, correct no? Minus 24xy, we got the correct term. Then 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So minus 40y, the term is here. So this is correct. Then 10 3s are 30xz. So the expansion is correct. Now this is the expansion of a plus b plus c the whole square. So here a is 3x, b is minus 4y and c is 5z. So square root of a plus b plus c the whole square. Now square and root gets cancelled. Correct. So the terms we need to write inside the modulus. So modulus of 3x plus minus 4y plus 5z, which is equal to 3x plus into minus 4y plus 5z, or one more answer will come. Two answers. Why? Here the sign we can choose it as plus minus plus no. Another option also will come. Here minus plus minus. So what is the next answer here? For x sign already we choose plus sign. Now I am taking minus. So minus 3x plus 4y minus 5z. If you square this term, you will get this expression. Got it? Okay, listen. The third question, square root of this. This one you can do as a homework because it is very simple. Three polynomials are given, that is quadratic polynomials are given. So each one you need to split like this. 8 and minus 9. After that, this also you can split like this. This also you can split like this. Okay. After finding this, you will get two terms. And after taking square root, you will get the answer easily. So this problem, that means second question, third one, you can do as a homework. Okay. Okay, let us come to the fourth problem. Square root of three polynomials given. First, we need to arrange this. After that, we need to split into terms. Then we can get the square root easily. Okay, shall we solve now? Solution. Listen. First term by term I am splitting. 2x square plus 17 by 6x plus 1 equal to. Here 6 now. Denominator 6. So here I am writing 1. Here also 1. I need to change every denominator as 6. What I can do? Into 6. Here also into 6. Here also into 6, here also into 6. So what is the answer? 6 2s are 12x square plus 17x plus 6. The denominator like term no, so 6, which is equal to, now I am going to factorize this. While multiplying I need to get 60, 72 and 17. Can you guess? In 8th table is it possible? Yes. 8 9s are correct. So divided by 12x divided by 12x. Okay, now cancel the terms. 8 and 12 which table? 4th table shall we cancel? So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. And this is cancelled for 3rd table. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So after writing here, check this, 3x plus 2 into here 4x plus 3 divided by 6. Got it? Likewise, here also, first change everything into like term. After that, we need to factorize. Okay, listen. Here 2. So the denominator is 2. Here, 3x square plus here 1 no. So into 2 into 2. 4 2s are 8x plus here also 1. So into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Now need to factorize this. Multiplication factor 12, addition factor 8. Can you guess the numbers? 4 3s are, no, 6 2s are. It will come correctly. 6 2s are 12. 6 plus 2, 8. Divided by which variable? 3x. So 3x by 3x. Shall we cancel this? So 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So while writing this, x plus 2 into 3x plus 2 divided by this 2. Easy problem, no? So here the same thing. Here 3, here 3. This denominator we need to make it as 3. So 1 into 3 into 3. Now like term. So 3. Here no change. 4x square plus 11x plus 2 3s are 6. Which is equal to, here while multiplying we need to get 24. While adding you need to get 11. Guess the numbers. 8 3s are correct. So by 4x by 4x. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So x plus 2 into 4x plus 3 divided by 3. Shall we solve this? We found the answers. Each term we split it like this. This term and also finally this term also. Then we are going to find the square root of this. Shall we proceed now? Okay, listen dear students. Here square root of, this is the question and we split it now. The terms I wrote here. Now select the two terms. 3x plus 2. How many times it came? 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2. So the whole square. Then 4x plus 3. The whole square. Then x plus 2. The whole square. Divided by 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Got it? Which is equal to square root of all the square terms. We are going to write as a single term. So 3x plus 2 into 4x plus 3 into x plus 2 by 36. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. So 6 square. 6 the whole square. Okay, 6 square and this term also having square. I took it as common. Now the square root and square gets cancelled. Correct. Now 1 by 6 number we can write outside. Remaining thing we can write inside the modulus. Because absolute value, no. 4x plus 3 into x plus 2. That's all the answer. So by factorization method over, and then we are going to learn how to find the square root of the polynomial by division method. Very, very important 5 mark. Everyone should learn this thoroughly. Okay, shall we move for that? And factorization, related to factorization problems, over. Okay, listen dear students. Example 3.21. Find the square root of one big polynomial they gave. So the first thing we need to check the power, whether all the powers are present or anything absent. Here division method. By division method we are going to find the square root. So here x power 4. The highest power 4. So the next power 3. The next power 2. X power 2. The next power x power 1. Then power 0. That means x power 0. That is 1. So here all the terms are present. That means power terms. X power 4, x cube, x square, x. Okay. It is in the correct order only. Next thing we need to check the order. X power 4, x3, x square, x power 1. Okay. It is in the correct order. Then we need to proceed. The long division method, we need to put the line like this. So 64x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1. The first thing, we need to split the terms from the last by two terms. Okay. Okay, listen. First thing, you need to separate the terms, two terms from the last. So here 2 terms, put the comma like this, and then also 2 terms. Okay. Then think of the square number 64. Which number square? You need to think the square number, square table. That means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2. Likewise, here 64. When it will come? 8 8s are 64. Got it? Then x power 4. How can we split this? X square into x square. The answer is x power 4. Then put the line like this. Then here subtraction, change of sign. Okay. Then 64x power 4 minus 64x power 4 gets cancelled. After that, two terms you need to take down. For normal division, we need to take only one term, no? But for square root, at the same time, you need to take two terms in the down. So minus 16x cube plus 17x square. The next step, while writing the new term, here we are going to write the new term. For writing the new term, here this number into 2. Whatever be the number in the quotient, that number into 2. So, put the rough column like this. 8x square into 2. You need to multiply only by 2, okay. So, here 8 2s are 16, then x square. So, here 16x square. This is for writing the new term. So, be careful while writing the new term, you need to multiply it by 2. Then, we need to write the next term. How can we write the next term? This first term divided by first term. So, minus 16x cube divided by 16x square. 16 and 16 get cancelled. Here x square, here 1x will remain. So, minus x, here also minus x. Don't confuse. While we can solve the next two problems, you will get better idea. Okay, listen. So, here minus x and here also minus x. Now, we need to multiply. This term we are going to write. So, minus, this answer minus x into this full term. 16x square minus x. Bracket multiplication. So, minus 16x cube plus, how this plus came? Minus into minus plus x into x, x square. Just copy it here. Minus 16x cube plus x square. Then, what is the next step? Change of sign. Plus, minus. Very good. So, this plus 16 and minus 16 gets cancelled. Here, no number. So, what is the meaning? Is it 0 or 1? 1. Automatically understood. So, well, there is no term. We can write it as 1. So, 17 minus 1, 16x square. What is the next step? We need to take how many terms down? 2 terms. So, minus 2x plus 1. Then the same procedure. We are going to write new term. How can we write the new term? Whatever be the quotient, we need to multiply it by 2. So, just multiply it by 2. 8x square minus x into 2. Multiply this. 16x square minus 2x. So, just copy it here. 16x square minus 2x. Then one more term also here we need to write. How can we write the next? This term, first term divided by first term. So, 16x square, these are all rough work only, by 16x square. So, cancelling we will get 1. So, plus 1, 2 places you need to write, don't forget, here and here. So, now what is the answer? We got the last answer, this 1, no? So 1 into this full term. 16x square minus 2x plus 1, which is equal to 1 into the number, the same number only, no? So 16x square minus 2x plus 1, then minus, here plus, here also minus. Change of sign and all the 3 terms get cancelled and we are getting 0 as the remainder. So here listen, the square root of, we need to write the question. Here wordings they gave, find the square root of. So here 64x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1, which is equal to modulus of 8x square minus x plus 1. That's all. By division method we solved this problem. Got it? Okay, listen dear students. The next example 3.22. If one polynomial is given is a perfect square, find the values of a and b. Okay. Here last 2 terms unknown values, a and b value we need to find. But they gave one clue. What is that? It's a perfect square. What is the meaning of perfect square? Can you tell some perfect square number? 25. Is it a perfect square? Yes. How can we find out that? 5 into 5, that is 25. That is a perfect square. Here when we divide by like this, 25, 5 5s are 25 and the remainder is 0. So the main thing, for a perfect square number, the remainder you will get 0. So think of that, okay. The last step, it will be useful. So listen. First thing we need to find the square root of this and after that we will get the value of a and b. Shall we do now? First 9x power 4 plus 12x cube plus 28x square plus ax plus b. The same model only. Listen. The first step, what is that? You need to check the powers. X power 4, x cube, x square, x and constant. Okay, it is in the correct order. Okay. Then we need to split it by 2 terms from the last. So here 2 terms, here 2 terms. Got it? Then 9. 9 is the perfect square number. In which table it will come? 3 3s are 9. And x power 4, how will you split? X square into x square, that is x power 4. Then change of sign, these 2 terms will cancel. After that for square root you need to take 2 terms in the same time. So 12x cube plus 28x square. Then while writing new term, don't forget this, while writing new term you need to multiply the quotient into 2. So 3x square into 2. What is the answer? 6x square. So here 6x square. And then the first step you will get 1 number. Second step you will get 2 terms. And the third step you will get 3 terms. Okay. So first step 1 term over. And the second step you need to get how many terms? 2 terms. So how will you write the next term? The first term divided by first term. So 12x cube by 6x square. So 6 and 12 get cancelled, 2, here 1x. So what is the answer? 2x. And this answer you want to write in 2 places. Where? Here and here. So this answer into, this 2x into this full term. This full term. So 6x square plus 2x equal to 2 6 are 12x cube plus 2 2s are 4x into x square. Now copy this. 12x cube plus 4x square. Then change of sign. Very good. So minus, here also minus. 12 plus 12 and minus 12 get cancelled. Term by term you need to cancel like this. Okay, don't cancel the full term. Term by term you need to cancel. 28 minus 4, 24x square. Then 2 terms you need to take down. Plus ax plus b. Okay. Then for finding first term, that is new term. First term how will you write? This whole term into 2. So 3x square plus 2x into 2. 6x square plus 4x. Just copy it. 6x square plus 4x. Easy, no? First step, only 1 term over. Second step, 2 terms over. Third step, 3 terms you need to write. So 2 terms only over. How will you write the third term. First term divided by first term. So 24x square divided by 6x square. So 6 fours are 24. X square and x square gets cancelled. This answer you need to write in two places. Where plus 4, here also plus 4. Then this answer into this whole term. 6x square plus 4x plus 4. Multiply inside. 6 fours are 24x square. 4 fours are 16x plus 16. Copy it here. 24x square plus 16x plus 16. Now change of sign. Minus, minus and minus. And here see the question they gave, it is a perfect square. Correct? So for a perfect square already we solved. For 25 for a perfect square the remainder is always 0. So just put it. Because the reason is, since it is a perfect square means the remainder is 0, no? So here plus a, that means a, we are going to find the value. A, here already we changed the sign, minus 16 which equals 0. Likewise b, we changed the sign now. So minus 16. This changed sign only we need to write here, equal to 0. So here a is equal to, after transposing, 16. Then b is equal to 16. So this is the final answer. A value 16 and b value also 16. And this is the answer for this. Got it? Okay, listen students. The homework problems, mark the homework problems. Exercise 3.8. Easy only. First Roman, first problem. Okay. First problem, it is already arranged in order. X power 4, x cube, x square, x. Correct term only. Easily you will get the answer. So first problem homework, and likewise the fourth problem. Here also x power 4, x cube, x square, x and constant term. It also very easy. First and fourth homework in first Roman. And second Roman, first problem homework. Just now we solved an example now. That is a and b value want to find. Here b and a value. The same model only. Here also it is arranged in order. X power 4, x cube, x and x square, x. So it is very easy. Only 3 problems only. Mark the questions. First Roman, first question, and fourth question, second Roman, first question. And the remaining problems we will see in the next class. Please study up to date portion. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.